Have you ever wondered what makes a gaming keyboard truly exceptional? Today, we're diving into the Corsair K70 Pro TKL RGB mechanical keyboard to uncover 5 things you didn't know about this impressive piece of tech. Welcome to the Inspect Aspect, where we dissect the latest gaming gear to help you make informed decisions. In this video, we'll be exploring the Corsair K70 Pro TKL RGB gaming keyboard and what sets it apart from the competition. Let's kick things off with speed. The Corsair K70 Pro TKL boasts rapid trigger technology, ensuring ultra-fast polling rates and per-key adjustment. This means every keystroke is translated into action with minimal latency. For gamers looking to dominate in competitive environments, this keyboard removes all barriers between you and victory. But with all that speed, it's worth asking if there are potential downsides. Some users may find the sensitivity takes a bit of getting used to, especially if they're coming from a more traditional keyboard. Next up is the sleek, Tenkeyless layout. It's designed to fit almost any gaming setup and leaves ample room for those swift mouse movements. While this layout can be a blessing for gamers with limited desk space, some may miss the convenience of a number pad for tasks outside of gaming. Ultimately, it caters perfectly to those who prioritize agility over additional functionalities. The K70 Pro TKL features pre-lubricated MGX Hyperdrive magnetic switches, which promise a smooth and responsive key press. This design ensures reduced wobble and peak performance even after 150 million keystrokes. However, while the feel of these switches is impressive, they may not appeal to everyone. Some users prefer the tactile feedback of mechanical switches and may find these feel oddly different. Another exciting feature is the rapid trigger, which allows for customization of the actuation points of the keys. Adjust them from an ultra-sensitive 0.4 mm to a deeper 3.6 mm, or even set dual actions for quick combos. This feature truly gives gamers an advantage in fast-paced scenarios, but it can unintentionally lead to mispresses if set too sensitive. Thus, it's essential to find that sweet spot. Lastly, the K70 Pro TKL is all about customization. With the ability to tailor key responses to your preferences, along with RGB lighting options, it can transform any setup into a colorful, personalized experience. While these features are fantastic for aesthetics and functionality, keep in mind that they may require extra setups and configurations, which could be daunting for some. In conclusion, the Corsair K70 Pro TKL RGB mechanical keyboard offers a finely tuned blend of performance, customization, and speed. However, while it excels in many areas, it's important to weigh whether its features align with your gaming style. If you thrive on speed and customization, it's a worthy investment. However, if you prefer a simpler, more traditional keyboard experience, it might not be the right fit for you. As always, thank you for joining me here at the Inspect Aspect. And remember to check the link in the description for the best deals on this product.